So I'm going to show you how to put luggage, how much luggage actually you can put inside the Kia Carens boot. This is the first bag. This is a huge bag. We have extended it also, so it is slightly smaller than a full-size suitcase. I'm gonna put it this side. This is a full-size loaded suitcase. I can put it this way, but because I have more luggage, I will put the suitcase this way. This is another full-size suitcase. And mind you, all these suitcases are fully loaded. These are not empty ones. This is the small trolley bag. I'm going to put it. First I'll move this bag inside. So let me show you. This is the trolley suitcase, small size trolley. These are two full size suitcases, and this is a very big duffel bag. And I am going to bring in more luggage also. If you try to place the suitcases in this upright position, the problem is that the space between the roof of the car and the suitcase is very less, so you will have problem in driving the car. If you want to put more luggage, this is definitely a way. It saves space, you know. So in the lateral position the suitcase is coming up to this level, but in this upright position the suitcase is coming up to this level, so this much space is free, and you can simply put the another suitcase like this and put more luggage on top of it. So if you want to cover this area also, which is not safe for driving, you can cover a lot more, but I do not prefer that. So now I have adjusted all my luggage for this trip, and you can see this is a big jhola. These are two bags, three bags basically stacked again up against each other, and this is the child car seat, this is the armrest, these are some teddies for the baby, and this boot space is fully packed. I'll go there and show you, and I have this laptop bag remaining that I can place simply on top of the stuff. But the only thing to notice here is that when you do hard braking or something, these can come ahead and they can hit you, so I will need to make sure that this laptop bag is secured somewhere safe.
Let me show you how. So
one big suitcase, another big suitcase, small trolley case, on a very big duffel bag. It is as big as a medium size trolley suitcase. This is small duffel bag, this is small bag, this is some fruits bag. So this space that is left, I can place the laptop bags here, and this is another laptop bag. I can place the bags here and carefully close the boot lid, or maybe I can close the boot lid and then insert these laptop bags from inside the car. Okay, so that way this is the full blown luggage inside Kia Carens, and I have full view available for driving, so there is no issue in driving at all. If you want to bring in more luggage, you have to compromise with your driving safety. So this was a detailed explanation of how and how much luggage you can place inside Kia Carens. And if you just want to see how many full-size suitcases you can place, you can see 1, 2, easily one more will come here. And if you place them in the upright position, you can definitely place a lot more. So this is the overall view how much luggage you can place in Kia Carens, and if you have any more questions, do let me know. I will be happy to answer, and if you want any more video, please give me suggestions. I will be happy to create more such videos.